Before you call yourself an overthinker, before you convince yourself that your mind is simply broken, I want to ask you something. What if your thoughts aren't the problem? What if they're carrying the weight of everything you've never had the chance to put down? Because people don't overthink for no reason. Minds don't become noisy without first becoming wounded. Tonight, let's talk about what you're really carrying. Somewhere along the way, you started believing that needing time meant you were weak, that crying meant you were too emotional, that thinking deeply meant something was wrong with you, so you began apologizing for being human. You stopped trusting yourself. You questioned every decision, every conversation, every silence, until eventually you called yourself an overthinker. But I don't think that's who you are. You're carrying conversations that never got closure, promises that were broken, expectations you placed on yourself, versions of your life that never happened. And because those things never had a safe place to go, they stayed inside. They became thoughts, then worries, then habits, then an identity. You didn't wake up one morning and decide to overthink. You adapted. The mind tries to protect us, even when protection becomes exhausting. Healing isn't waking up one day without painful thoughts. Healing is learning that every thought doesn't deserve your attention. Healing is recognizing that you don't have to solve every feeling. Some emotions only need to be acknowledged, not fixed, not judged, just heard. Tonight, instead of asking, "Why am I like this?" ask, "What am I carrying?" Instead of fighting your thoughts, write them down. Give them somewhere to leave other than your mind. And before you sleep tonight, thank yourself, because despite everything you've carried, you're still here. That deserves more credit than you've been giving yourself. Maybe you were never overthinking. Maybe you've simply been carrying more than anyone knew. If this conversation helped you, I created something called the Rebuild. It's a 30-day guided journal for people who are ready to stop surviving and start rebuilding. The link is in the description. Whenever you're ready, and if you needed to hear this today, you don't have to carry everything alone. I'll see you in the next one.